Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So today we had a very good gap up open in Nifty, Bank Nifty, and that gap up sustained, and we have seen a zigzag movement and closed in positive. So let's check the big players what they have planned in open interest analysis. We'll follow by FII. In option index contract, they were holding 2,75,000 contracts in put. Now they have increased their put buying by 68,000 contracts, and in call they were holding 2 lakhs of call buying. Now they have decreased their call by 15,000 contracts only. So still they're holding 1,91,000 call buying with them. And in future index, no changes, 30% long and 70% short they have. And in stock future percentage, 51% long and 49% short. No changes in this, and they have sold for 453 crores in cash market today. So the view of FII is very much negative only. Client are the retailers. In put, they were holding 41,000 put writing contracts. Now they have increased their put writing by 48,000 contracts. So they have 89,000 contracts in put writing. And in call, they were holding 83,000 of call writing. Now they have decreased the call writing by 68,000 contracts. So they have booked the loss in call writing. So still holding 14,000 of call writing with them. And in future index, no changes, 66% long and 34% short they have. And in stock future percentage, they have reduced 1% long and increased 1% short. So they have 82% long and 18% short. And in cash flow, they have sold for 170 crores today also. So the view of client is bullish only, very much bullish. Promoters in put, they were holding 2,67,000 contracts of put writing. Today they have increased 21,000 contracts, so they have 2,88,000 of put writing. And in call they were holding 1,23,000 of call writing. Today they increased 53,000 contracts, so they have 1,77,000 of call writing. And in future index, they have increased the longs and reduced the short by 6%. So they have 49% long and 51% short. And in stock futures, no changes, 65% long and 35% short. And today also they purchased for 194 crores in cash market. So the view of promoter, see in futures they are 50-50, no view. And in option index, they have call writing as well put writing, but mostly put writing is more, and this is positive in stock futures. So they have hedge positions, and they are taking a very good stock futures along with them. And DIA purchased for 908 crores in cash market. So total figure in cash flow was 478 negative buying figure. Let's check the PCR. PCR will won't work tomorrow as tomorrow is weekly expiry. Nifty today was 0.99 and month end it is 1.11. Bank Nifty today was 1.06 and month end it is 1.05. As per the PCR, market is bullish only. We'll check how the global market is working right now. So Nasdaq opened slight down but have recovered now, and this is a very good resistance for them. 10,797, 7,800 can consider it, and it's trying to break but it's retracing here. And so Dow Jones also having a very good resistance of 30,652, and it trying to break. So let's check in the second half how the US is going to close. That also impact our market. Now the SGX is trading at 27 points lower. India VIX at comfortable level of 17.5, and Nifty today we have open gap up, and we have traded in small range. This shows the bullishness in the market. So later in second half we have seen a zigzag movement. So what for tomorrow? So So as per the price action, we are bullish only. But tomorrow it has to be a smooth expiry. It has to be a range bound market only. If we are not seeing any a huge sell off, because the CPR was narrow CPR today, so tomorrow hopefully it has to be average CPR, and in average CPR the market will be sideways like this. Average CPR and market consolidate. So this is the view for tomorrow, and as per the open interest analysis also we have seen, see, promoter good hedging in call writing and put writing, and anyhow FII is negative only. So if FII is not shorting in cash market tomorrow, then market has to be in small consolidating range only. So the strategy for tomorrow will be the same: buy on dip and sell on rise. So tomorrow, if whole day the market in a small range, then it's a second off at closing we can see some big rally. So please do trade with small quantities. If you're not confident, then let's trade with less quantities. As tomorrow at expiry, don't be greedy and purchase the very far OTMs options in call and puts. For making it double, you may lose the money, because India VIX is also at comfortable level. You won't be making good money at this level. So that's it for today, guys. Hope everyone make a good profit tomorrow, and thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.